Go now.
That opened more after a 1 of 1. A little too deep on that one. Get into the package.
Did you slice the silver foil?
No, no.
Well, it's just base cards in the back anyway, so.
Yeah. So yeah, it could be a 1 of 1 back there. Babe Ruth or
Okay,
something.
slow down. You're a little amped up after your Castro there.
Am I a little crazy?
Yeah, you're
All
getting a little.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. It happens. That's a white whale right there.
Interesting. Well, we know it's not Starlin Castro. Hold on.
Sorry.
Yeah, slow down. You're going real fast.
625, Lou Gehrig,
That's a cool picture of Babe Ruth.
Babe Ruth. Let's see what the back one is. Back one's Andre Ethier, 27.
This will be something good. Carlton Fisk? Oh, nice.
It is. That's nice.
Gorgeous.
And that's killer.
Yeah, that's wicked. Is that a Red Sox card?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a Red Sox.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Number 1 of 1 back there.
Yep.
Wow.
Let me get a close up of it real quick.
Okay.
Cool.
Very cool.
All right. It's time for your obligatory Colby Rasmus autograph now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this will be. We got Sandy Koufax, 250. Adam Jones. Something numbered to 5. Tommy Hanson, number 5. And the auto is Evan Longoria.
Not bad.
It's not bad.
Sweet.
I like Mr. Longoria.